Have you ever wondered why some love stories are like fairy tales while others fade away? What if we told you that keeping your love relationship strong isn't just about luck, but involves secrets you can master? 1. The art of communication. How can effective communication transform your relationship? Effective communication isn't just about talking, it's about creating a bridge of understanding between you and your partner. Imagine each conversation as a thread weaving a stronger bond. Begin by truly listening, not just hearing words, but understanding emotions and intentions behind them. It's about empathy, seeing the world through their eyes. Then, express your own feelings honestly but gently, avoiding blame. Think about how you'd feel hearing your own words. Remember, timing is crucial. Pick moments of calm, not conflict, to discuss important matters. Lastly, practice the art of apology. A sincere, "I'm sorry," can heal wounds and build trust like nothing else. 2. Understanding love languages. Do you know your partner's love language, and how can it deepen your bond? Discovering your partner's love language is like unlocking a secret code to their heart. It's not just about what you love, but how your partner feels loved. Is it words of affirmation, showing them they're cherished through compliments and encouragement? Or acts of service, where doing tasks speaks louder than words? Perhaps it's receiving gifts, where even small tokens become treasures of affection. Maybe quality time, where undivided attention says, "You are my priority." Or physical touch, where a simple hug can mean, "I'm here for you." Observe, ask, and most importantly, act. 3. Prioritizing quality time. Why is quality time not just about being together, but being present? Quality time is your secret weapon for a flourishing relationship. It's not about the quantity but the quality of moments shared. Turn off your phones, shut down distractions, and open up a space where it's just you and your partner. Create a date night ritual, whether it's a fancy dinner or a simple walk under the stars. Engage in activities that both of you love, or explore new hobbies together. This shared experience creates memories and deepens your bond. Listen actively, show interest in their passions, and let them into your world too. Let your partner feel that they truly matter. 4. Maintaining independence. How does keeping your individuality actually strengthen your partnership? Maintaining your independence in a relationship is like keeping a garden diverse and vibrant. It's essential for both of you to have space to grow individually. Nurture your own hobbies and interests, and encourage your partner to do the same. This not only fosters personal growth but also brings fresh energy into your relationship. Have a me day, where you indulge in your personal passions, be it reading, yoga, or a coffee with friends. This time apart creates a healthy balance and keeps the relationship exciting. You'll have more to share, and you'll appreciate your together time even more. Remember, a healthy relationship is made of two wholes, not two halves. 5. Nurturing trust and respect. What are the little things that build unshakable trust and respect? Building trust and respect in your relationship is like crafting a masterpiece. It takes time and dedication. Start by keeping your promises, no matter how small they seem. This shows your partner that your word is reliable. Communicate openly and honestly, even about difficult topics. This transparency builds a foundation of trust. Respect comes from appreciating each other's opinions and feelings, even when they differ from your own. Practice empathy. Try to understand your partner's perspective. Remember, it's not about who's right, but what's right for the relationship. Acknowledge and celebrate each other's achievements, be each other's cheerleader. These acts of trust and respect weave a safety net that holds your relationship through any storm. 6. Keeping the romance alive. Why is romance crucial and how can you reignite that spark? Keeping the romance alive is like keeping a flame burning in a cozy hearth. Start by reintroducing small acts of affection, a surprise kiss, holding hands, or a sweet text message. These gestures reignite the warmth of early days. Plan unexpected dates or recreate your first date to bring back those butterflies. Write love notes or letters expressing your feelings, as words have the power to touch hearts deeply. Remember the importance of compliments. They make your partner feel seen and appreciated. Also, don't underestimate the power of a shared laugh. It's the music of a happy relationship. By sprinkling your days with these romantic gestures, you'll keep the spark alive, turning everyday moments into extraordinary memories. 7. The power of small gestures. Have you realized the big impact of small acts of love? Small gestures in a relationship are like the quiet but steady beats of a heart, vital, yet often unnoticed. Start by noticing the little things your partner does and express gratitude for them. Making their favorite meal, leaving a sweet note, or simply offering a thoughtful compliment can mean the world. Celebrate the small victories together, whether it's finishing a work project or just managing to fix something at home. Listen to their worries and joys with equal attention. Surprise them occasionally, maybe with their favorite coffee or by taking over a chore they dislike. Remember, it's these tiny acts of kindness and thoughtfulness that build a fortress of love and care around your relationship. 8. Overcoming challenges together. What strategies turn obstacles into opportunities for growth in your relationship? Overcoming challenges together can turn your relationship into an unbreakable bond. When faced with obstacles, tackle them as a team. Communication is key. Discuss the issue openly, listen to each other's perspectives, and find common ground. Avoid placing blame. Instead, focus on finding solutions. Support each other emotionally through tough times. Be the shoulder to lean on. Remember, it's not you against each other, it's both of you against the problem. Embrace these challenges as opportunities to learn and grow together. Celebrate overcoming these hurdles. It reinforces the strength of your partnership. 9. Embracing change and growth. How does embracing change together keep your love vibrant and alive? Embracing change and growth is like watering a plant, essential for keeping your relationship flourishing. Acknowledge that both of you will evolve over time, and that's a good thing. Celebrate each other's achievements and support each other's dreams, even if they are new or unexpected. Be open to trying new activities together, as this can bring a fresh perspective and excitement to your relationship. Encourage each other to step out of comfort zones, whether it's a new hobby, career move, or personal goal. This mutual support not only strengthens your bond but also keeps the relationship dynamic and interesting. Remember, growing together doesn't mean losing your individuality. It means creating a beautiful, ever-evolving partnership that thrives on mutual respect and love. 10. Celebrating milestones and creating traditions. Why do creating and celebrating traditions keep the joy and excitement in your relationship? Celebrating milestones and creating traditions is like adding chapters to your love story. Mark the special dates, not just anniversaries or birthdays, but also the day you first met or had your first kiss. Create your own traditions, like a yearly getaway to a place that's meaningful to both of you, or cooking a special meal together every month. These celebrations don't have to be grand. It's the sentiment that counts. Reflect on your journey, acknowledging how far you've come and dreaming about the future. These rituals become your unique love legacy, strengthening your bond and giving you both something to look forward to. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women. And we'll see you in the next video. With love.